I am reminded of a story in my teens. The internet had just made its way into our lives, and a friend took us to an internet cafe, and we had gone to serve Desi Baba. Desi Baba was the most popular Baba of the 90s, and we were looking at these morphed, photoshopped images, right, of actors. And there was this photo of Shah Rukh Khan, whose face had been morphed onto the body of a black man. And I had my doubts about the photos. I'm like, is that a real photo? Is it really that big? And my friend said, yeah, of course, everybody says that big. Isn't yours that big? And I said, yeah, hey, no, of course, man, real photo. What are you saying? Come on. Hello and welcome to Film Companion South. You're watching our Tolly review. My name is Hriday Ranjan. This week's release is Ek Mini Katha, directed by Kartik Rapolu. The film stars Santosh Shoban, Kavya Thapar, Sudarshan, and Shraddha Das. For decades, the definition of the hero was that of the strongest, the bravest, the manliest of men. The villain gives him a long rope and God gives him a long dick, and when he makes love, parrots feel shy and drop grapes and oranges start to bounce. Since our government never bothered with sex education, we had to learn from industry leaders such as Lisa Ann and Dr. Johnny Sins. While all of our films are obsessed with showing the hero to be this extremely virile person, nobody addresses the many insecurities that men themselves go through.
Hello, my name is Abdul Ghaffar Allah Babu. Today I am going to talk in English because it is a very sensitive subject and there are no words to discuss sensitive subject in Telugu. Actually, I am really scared about my cock. Me and my cock grew up together. Now I am fully grown up. I also understand Ram Gopal Verma tweets, but my cock is not growing at all. It is the still same fucking size from the childhood. You see yourself.
Hi, my name is Peddegundakai Santosh. I have everything in my life friends, families, vaccines. I have it all. But there is one thing that I still cannot speak about even till today. That's the size of my heart. I have a very big heart. Like I have such a big heart that నేను ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళని అందరిని ప్రేమించిన there is still place for one more person. Maybe for someone from Secunderabad, but that's how big my heart is. People usually talk about issues with small dick, but no one talks about people with large hearts. You know, like I have such a big heart that even my friend's name is Hridaya. Like my heart can pump more blood than the water pump in your home. It pumps so much blood that I everyday water these plants. Like not for the water, of course, but it's for the oxygen. You know the situation of oxygen in our country, right? It's a
Hi, my name is Abala, and my biggest insecurity is that I'm not a man. When I see a man walk freely at midnight, I'm not free to do that. And I tried using beard gels to look manly, but no beard, no use. And all these men, they just go to Pawan Kalyan's movies and Mahesh Babu's movies, and some of them just take their shirts off and dance. I can't do that too. All of us, we want to be our heroes when we grow up. I wanted to be Ramdev Baba, but I couldn't be. Yeah, we all men, we have our own insecurities.
You're not even a man, Shalini.
Sorry?
You're not even a man, Shalini.
Yeah, exactly. Don't remind me of my insecurities.
But the hero in Ek Mini Katha has a problem. You know, that he wants to succeed in big data, but his member is Microsoft. At school, where most of these insecurities actually creep in, he's teased by his friends and his early relationships leave him scared and scarred. Of course, it doesn't help that his father, an informed Brahmaji, is constantly berating and insulting him and looking at him with chinna chupu. Santosh tries everything from pills to pumps to babas who promise to take people's Charminar and make it into Qutub Minar. When Santosh finally meets a girl that he likes under unusual circumstances at a Pelli Chuplu, the story really picks up. The stars are in his favor, but he is afraid that the scale in his geometry box isn't up to the mark. While the plotline is interesting and potentially thought-provoking, the makers of the film take the route of the classic mainstream comedy, like many of the Ayushmann Khurrana films that released recently. They attempt to quote the issue with comedy, and there are quite a few laughs, delivered mostly by Sudarshan, who plays Santosh's friend. Like when Santosh is preparing for a surgery, he says, Kshemanga velli, longa randi. There are of course lots of other gags too, like a friend who now owns a lorry, a grandfather who is obsessed with Pooja Hegde's legs, and a cousin who is constantly looking for ways to end his life. When the film is sharp, it's sharp, but when it's generic, it gets very generic. This in spite of Santosh Shoban's earnest performance, which unfortunately fails to pump any blood into the film. For a film that begins light on its feet, it begins to later sit heavy. Since we are in the area of penis and erection, let us also discuss the climax. Most comedies that are confident about themselves don't feel the need to step into melodrama or action towards the end. But with Ek Mini Katha, the overall generic nature of the film seems to take over after a point. I wish the heroine's role, for example, had more spunk. I was curious to see what she thought of the issue. Does she believe that love is blind, or does she believe that size matters? We are never shown. The film squanders away its opportunity to be truly unique or thought-provoking. The film's message that everybody wants Sachin's thick, heavy bat, but it's not his bat that makes Sachin Sachin, it is his timing and stroke play. The film's delivery of this message is even cornier than mine. It's a series of gags one after the other, and if you enjoyed EVV's films in the past, you probably might enjoy this film. But taken in today's context, Ek Mini Katha falls a few inches short of being a truly memorable film. The film had the option of taking the red pill or the blue pill, and it chose the blue pill manufactured by Pfizer. Ek Mini Katha fails to leave a considerable mark, instead slithering into various plot holes when it really should be standing up and grabbing your attention. Thank you so much for watching our review. Please remember to press the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also kind of get registered for the vaccine because you need to stay alive to watch our videos. Thanks.